Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, we would be discussing about the jobs that I have posted recently. So the job opening 7983, various companies hiring for GIS engineer 2 at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job with this link. Let me right click on it and I just open the job. So if you notice, it is redirecting to the company career portal. So whatever the jobs that I am posting, I have pulled the jobs from the company website and I'm posting it just to avoid the spam information. And the next job opening is 7982 Microchip Technology Companies hiring for software QA engineer at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. And job opening 7981 Apexon Companies hiring for Informatica IPAS developer job at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Careerya job opening 7980. PepsiCo companies hiring for Deputy Director, SAP Source to Pay job at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this URL or the application link. Careerya job opening 7979. Workday companies hiring for Principal Marketing Manager India at Mumbai location. You can apply to this job using this link. So if you notice, I am posting the jobs for every 5 minutes. So I recommend you follow my profile so that you'll get the job related information quickly. And Career job opening 7978. Workday companies hiring for senior tax analyst, international tax in two locations. Let's see, where are they? Hopefully they are in India only. Yep, it is in Pune and Mumbai. You can apply to this job using this link. Career job opening 7977. PepsiCo companies hiring for software engineering associate analyst at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. So career job opening 7976. Disha India companies hiring for principal tech, Gen AI tech, if I'm not wrong, and it is located in Hyderabad. I mean, the job is also in Hyderabad. The company location also Hyderabad or Bangalore, Gurugram. You can apply to this job using this link. So basically, this is very wonderful company, you guys. So if someone know about this company, please do comment in the video so that others people can know. And career job opening 7975. Disha India company is hiring for manager, talent management, human capital, and the job location is at Hyderabad. You can apply to this job using this link. Next, Career job opening 7974. Workday companies hiring for account executive, state government. In three locations, you can apply to this job using this link. And job opening 7973. Dell Technologies is hiring for senior systems development engineer at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Career job opening 7972. Apexon companies hiring for AR ML engineer. Location is at Bangalore, and you can apply to this job using this link. Next job opening is Career job opening 7971. Zoho Corporation companies hiring for web developers at India location. You can apply to this job using this link. Let me open the link. You see, this is the job location, and they're hiring bulky. You have requirements for this role in Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Pathiruvan, Tirunelveli, and Madurai. You can apply to this job by clicking where I'm interested. Yep, I think that's it for this video, guys. So I recommend you to apply to the jobs that I'm posting daily before they expire. So take advantage of this information. Please do follow my profile, Prakash K. I would be sharing the link of my profile in the description so that you'll get the job related information quickly. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information.